Hello, do you know that big farms never go broke? The hidden trick to cheap poultry feed. Watch this video till the end. Let me review some secrets. Why those big farms, you see them every year, they are there, they are growing. Why small farms, you see them, they farm broiler this month, next month, you will not see anything. They farm broiler this year, next year they clean their cages, they will not farm again. Why big farms are still growing on daily basis? The hidden trick to cheap poultry feed. Let's get there. Why big farms never go broke? The hidden trick to cheap poultry feed. Hello, my wonderful poultry farmers. Have you ever wondered why big farms never go broke? How do they feed thousands of chickens and still make huge profit? Why you are finding it difficult to feed only 10 chickens? The secret is cheap poultry feed. They don't waste money on expensive commercial feed. Instead, they use smart tricks to make their own feed at a lower cost. Today, I will show you how they do it and how we do it also in our farm and how you can do it too in your own farm and still make it. In this particular video, you are going to learn big farms don't buy expensive feed. They make their own. They use cheap local ingredients instead of factory feed. They mix feed correctly for strong, fast-growing chickens. They add natural boosters to keep birds healthy. They use organic and probiotics instead of synthetic like this. They use something like this, Eco Bio Booster, and they use organic additives, organic feed boosters like this. This is what they use. Big farms, you hardly see them buying expensive medications. It is cheap and poor poultry farmers that buy expensive. If their chicken is sick, they will look for the most expensive. Please, they won't even ask for the most effective. They will look for, please, I need the most costly antibiotics here. They think that antibiotics is food. No, antibiotics is even killing your birds. The big farms add natural boosters like this Eco Bio Booster to keep birds healthy. They reduce feed waste and save more money. Small farmers waste money on expensive feed, but big farms know how to buy cheap ingredients and mix their own feed in their farm. This helps them cut costs and increase profit. The profit, they use it to grow their farm, while small farmers and small farms continue going down because the big farms make more profit and overshadow them. When you come to the market, the big farms will be selling at cheap rates. They must finish their selling of their product before you start selling even. And before they finish their own, some of your birds have started dying off already. They're still going down. So, big farms use cheap poultry feed instead of expensive feed. They use these cheap ingredients like maize, cheap and full of energy. They use soybean meal, very high in protein. They use groundnut cake, which makes birds grow fast. They use wheat offer, which adds fiber and saves money for them. They use fish meal, and they are using local fish meal. Whereas poor poultry farmers and very small poultry farmers, if they want to buy fish meal, they go and buy 72% crude protein imported one. They will look for that most expensive one, which a kg of it is over 3,000 to 4,000 naira. They think that when they use that big one, it's going to make the chicken big. No, it's not. It's not the big head that has more knowledge. No, what matters is the capacity, the way you prepare it and the way you deliver the feed to the chickens. They use bone meal, which make bone of their poultry birds stronger, and they hardly fall sick. And because they have low mortality, they always have high profit. They use salt and premix, which gives vitamins and minerals. The natural booster helps their chicken to boost their profit also. Big farms don't waste money on drugs. Instead, they use aloe vera juice to stop sickness. They use papaya leaves to improve digestion. They use moringa leaves to give more vitamins to their birds and their poultry, livestock, animals. They use garlic and ginger to keep their chickens very strong and agile. How big farms feed their own chicken the right way. They mix the feed properly so birds get all the nutrients Why small farmers, they don't do that? They are always casual in whatever they do. They feed the right amount and quantity of feed to prevent waste. But small farmers feed the drinkers and feeders always. Chickens eat and waste most of the feed and scatter it on the floor and mix it with the floor. They say yes, they are making profit. No. Big farms keep record of all the expenses to make sure that they make profit. Why small farms don't keep record at all? They don't keep any record. Their own is spending money. The money comes in bulk. When the money comes in bulk, they feel that they are making profit. They won't know that they are losing. Whereas big farms take the cost of rearing the birds and know how much they're going to sell it to make profit. Big farms don't even check all those things. They don't consider the cost of expenses. They only consider how much they're going to make, how the money is coming in bulk in their hand. So they calculate the bulk money as if it's profit. That's why big farmers continue going down. They keep feeders clean to stop diseases. The big farms always make sure their poultry equipment are always neat. Most of them have boreholes, so they don't lack water. While small farms go to fetch water from streams, before they go 1 or 2 times, they are tired. So they always have little water to wash. Most of them don't even wash at all. Most of them even say, these are animals, let me give them anything they like. They don't even care to wash their drinkers and feeders. So their chicken always fall sick and they always spend money on medications. Some of them even use what do you call it? This well water. Well water. Most of them well water will be mixed with all this mud. They will just give it to them like that. Big farmers are always neat. They always keep things neat, and their chicken hardly fall sick. So they maximize the strength and immunity of the poultry birds and make more profit. That's why they continue growing bigger and stronger always. They always give fresh water to their chicken, and you know that chicken love fresh water. Anything fresh, chicken love it. Fresh feed, the chicken love fresh feed. Big farms make fresh feed always. They prepare their feed almost on daily basis, whereas small farms, because of low income, anytime they have little money, they go and buy feed, even 3 months feed. Most of the feed will rotten. So when chicken put their nose and feed that the feed is not tasty, they will run away, and most of them will not be eating the feed. Whereas big farms make little quantity because they know that they always have money to feed their chicken. Though they make little quantity, and these feed are always fresh, and chickens rush the feed, and as they rush the feed, they eat well and convert the feed. These are the differences you see. Are you spending too much on commercial feed? Do you know how to mix cheap poultry feed? These questions are for you. Please answer them on the comment section. Are your chickens growing fast without waste? Please answer me all these questions on the comment section. Big farms never go broke because they make their own feed. Poultry feed is good to serve fresh. They use local ingredients, natural boosters, and smart feeding tricks to grow big and healthy chickens and save money and make more profit. Now it is your turn. Stop wasting money and start using the secret big farms use to make their own profit. Like, comment, and subscribe in this channel for more poultry tips. Thank you for watching. Make sure this video reach more poultry farmers, even your friends and your neighbors, even your enemies. Share this video to reach them also. You can even reconcile by sharing this video so that they will ask you, this one you are sending this, you say, yes, this is how I grow my own farm. Thank you for watching. Till the next video is uploaded, make sure you subscribe to our both channels, Dr. Leonard Charles and the Poultry Side TV. That's where you can get the best, because we load different videos on all the channels on daily basis. I make sure I produce videos for you to make sure that you are kept up to date in the particular channel. Stop wasting money on expensive feed. Instead, use cheap local ingredients and natural supplements to grow big, healthy chickens. Feed their birds the right way and save money while making more profit. Subscribe for more poultry farming tips. Bye.